Wow, she has some very long hair. The stylist places it in some ponytails, begins to cut. Hopefully this hair is being donated because this is a lot of hair. So it looks like he's adding in a few layers to firm up the face. Gorgeous bangs. Very nice, simple, and chic haircuts. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So here we have the brilliant stylist Philip Wolf. Love this pixie shaggy cut that he did. Gorgeous color, brilliant. And then we have someone heading to the salon. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like she's getting some color. Trimming of the ends. Oh wow, her hair looks so voluminous and full. The bangs look amazing. The color, very nice. And then she does go in and add some waves for a nice tousled texture. Next up, we have someone else at the salon. Looks like she's getting a nice little trim here. Beautiful bob haircut with the bangs. Very nice. And her hair also looks very voluminous and full. And then we have someone here with a pixie. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Very nice. Another chic, shaggy pixie style. Very popular hair trend for the summer 2023 season. So here we have someone with the long hair once again. Looks like the stylist is adding in some layers. I love his technique for cutting bangs and doing the layers. Wow. Oh, her hair looks perfect. Pure perfection. So voluminous and gorgeous. Very nice. And then it looks like we have another pixie here. Very nice pixie bob variation, longer bangs in the front to frame the face. Beautiful. So it looks like we have another cut refresh, maybe a bit of a color change. Wow. Oh, wow. So she went silver with a pop of pink there in the bangs. Loving this pixie style. She looks absolutely incredible. So I hope you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.